Breaking news, guys! I'm launching a Rich Bunny scheme until the end of 2024, and you can take part in it. What is it? So from the beginning of the new week, we are recruiting a team of traders and starting trading with a small amount and finishing with a big one. And here are the results of our traders over the past week. If you want the same, join us. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lynn, and this will show the most profitable and easiest trading strategy even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session.
Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialog with me and write plus VIP.
So pocket option, our broker for today, $50. Our initial balance and deal amount will be also $50. The amounts we will get time deal amount $50, time 1 minute, time frame also 1 minute. It's very convenient for the video. So we will trade today with the currency pairs and our indicators, Pierce and Bulls power. So these two indicators we will use today. 13 hour periods, red for bulls, so that is understandable on an instinctive level. Bulls power is our fairly simple and effective analysis tool as to determine the mood of buyers. So the period is the number of 13. It's used in conjunction with the bear's power. Oscillate works on the same principle, only in relation to, so to say, sellers. When bull's power grows, our buyers are bear's power sellers. There is also a related situation when both sellers and buyers are present. This is often the consolidation. So I recommend to skip these situations. And so what to say more? Due to bear's power will grow and many. So I think it's gonna be worth watching it, and I want to show you these indicators in practice with a practical meaning. So down deal, and we start our technical analysis. We see two lines going upper position. So it consolidation, I think. General position is in the lower position. So this consolidation let's see for the chart. It's nothing to say. 13 seconds left until the end of the deal. We're going down. Let's wait for the closure. 4 seconds left. Yeah, good, excellent. Our profit is $96. And we move on to the second concept app. Here we are. Let's open up deal and we start our technical analysis. At the moment, globally we had an upward trend. The global would you reopen for longer term? Most likely it was necessary to look at the situation from slightly different angles, but still we most likely would have opened under a downward trend. Yeah, now we are recovering. We restored the confirmation of the previous candle. Two lines in the upper position, but still this power is prevailing. "12 seconds left until the end. Good. Our deal goes into plus $184. And we move on to the third concept. Up TL, and we start our technical analysis. Here we see upward trend, but we still have a little drawdown. It's okay. Indicator works completely properly and shows the drawdown. They are just not a little behind. Nevertheless, the general upward trend still prevails in our chart. That's important. We have a full movement plus or minus into this area of resistance. Even higher. We have opened the right deal. Zoom it. We are upper opening points. Yeah, plus deal. Good. To $353, we increase our amount of deal. And we move on to the next concept. Here we are. Let's open up deal here and we start our technical analysis. At the moment, we are all experiencing the drawdown. The deal is quite risky. I want to tell you, but we still have to take a risk here, as most likely I think and believe that we will nevertheless begin to move in the upper position for a short period of time, at least for a short period of time. So, upward trend, our indicator says global, we are reaching the global level. Zoom it, upper position, move to the top position. Main thing is that we close above our opening point. Yep. Plus deal, we see it, very nice. Let me advise you once again my Telegram channel. You can find the link in the description. I post there my tradings, my signals, many useful information about trading, and you can find this information in my Telegram. So we move on to the next concept. Deal amount is $200, and we move on to the next concept. Here we are. We'll open up trade, and we immediately proceed to technical analysis. Here we immediately see that in the last period we have experienced a slight increase, and by this growth, this is exactly what happens with the expected opening on the precisely on the rise. Globally, we have had an increase in drawdown. That is, globally we seem to be purely theoretically. In drawdown, we had already formed two candles of quite the same size. Yeah, same position, same angle, This is precisely due to these changes. So next we'll look at the situation in general. That is, in the general situation, we'll move towards this area of resistance area from the support area. Let's get a look. We see that this deal was successful, plus profit. Let's move on to the next concept. Here we are. Down deal, and we start our technical analysis. Here we see drawdown by last period. We see that we had a slight restoration of consolidation. So I think we are going down, and we will try to overcome this area, support area. If we look at the indicators and specifically at the angle of the moving data, then the bear's power is clearly in the angle. Previous, let's see. But it's quite hard for us to overcome our support area. Nevertheless, unfortunately, it's not very confident yet. Let's wait for our TLT close. 5 seconds left until the end. Great situation. Profit is $92. Good. Almost $1,000 on our balance. So you see this table. It's some trading plan for 7 days, but if you want more, you can have 2 days, 2 weeks, a month, and etc. So each deal is worth of $5, so 10% of your deposit amount. If you have a deposit of $100, it will be $10, and so on. I think in a progressive sense, you can do the math yourself. And each deal will bring at least $2.5 in pure profits. So you can find this table in my private group. You can find the link in the description to my Telegram, and write to me, and I ask and answer you. So the link in the description.
Hello traders, my name is Lynn and you're on my YouTube channel where I show you how to trade in binary options. Here you will find the most profitable and easiest trading strategies.
We move on to the next concept. Here we are, up deal, and we start our technical analysis. 2 reversals we see. Many touches we see also from support area and from resistance area. Next we look at our entered and are holding a 1 again, trying to get out and overcome to this opposition. Shadows and candles obviously can't exist. 16 seconds left before the deal is closed, and we see that we have very strong growth. The volume of the candle is colossal and the case. We wait 2 seconds. Yeah, great. Our deal is closing with you in plus. Good. 8 concept. Our last concept. Let's open the up deal. And we start our technical analysis. I hope it will be as profitable as all the previous ones. Volume is good. Sample packs were. This will most likely have no slowdown during several hot periods. It's important. Bears predominant over the bulls. So it's a good situation. We see red candle. It's not. It's okay. And due to the intervals of 55 seconds, bear's power rises accordingly. Zoom it. 2 seconds left. Yeah, great. It was our last concept, and let's finish our trading session and we summarize it. So we increased our balance many times. It was $50, I think, our initial balance, and now we have $1,000. You can see it. So it's very good results for today, as usual. And so we have 2 indicators, pulse and bear's power, 1 minute time frame. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.